This is Fiorella, Sonia, and Jose from Anyhouse Cleaning, and they hire us today to clean the inside windows, 3 bathrooms, vacuum the floor, and mop the floor. This is a brand new construction right here in close to Champions Gate, between Champions Gate and Devonport, and Old Lake Wilson Road. The sad part is that I guess that the builder cleaned it. Someone was leaving, or maybe the owner from another state, I don't know. The sad part is that they never did the new construction cleaning. What is a new construction cleaning? Is remove the haze. Even if you are mopping and even if you are vacuuming, the floor is going to be like that. That's part of new construction cleaning, to remove the haze. Also, in the bathrooms, I noticed a lot of haze in the walls, many construction things, and a regular housekeeper cannot remove that. You need to use special products to remove the haze, and that takes time and money because all the products cost. I'm not discriminating nobody. That's the reason why I ask the client what the client needs and what is the budget, and I do whatever they wish. But this is a video where I can at least educate a little bit more the homeowner. If you have any question, if you're buying a property to rent as a vacation home, I'm local, I'm in the area. I live in Devonport. I work all day in Champions Gate. So you can call me, I can go in person to talk to you. If you have any kind of question, I can solve any kind of problem about cleaning, because I have pretty much a lot of skills and education about that. Well, we are almost done. I'm going to text the owner that we're done so he can make the payment. Thank you for watching. Fiorella, Sonia from anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118. I think that this is the second map, and this is a special map that we use especially for new construction. Even though they don't pay us for do a construction cleaning, I bring my cloth because I used to do that. Almost done. And the floor has a lot of dirt stick on the surface. Yeah. Well, keep my number, okay? 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching again. Bye.